Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In today's occasion, I would like to present my thesis proposal titled Representation of Oppression in System of Down album Hypnotize Song Lyrics. And for the object used in this research is from a metal band called System of Down Hypnotize. Hypnotize is the fifth album by System of Down and the second half of the Mesmerize or Hypnotize double album before taking their hiatus to work on their individual solo projects. It was released on November 22, 2005, 6 months after the release of companion album Mesmerize. And then we moved on to Chapter 1, Introduction. This chapter presents the background of the study to show the reason this research is conducted. Then research questions are formulated to guide the research. This part also provides the purpose and limitation of the study. In addition, important terms are defined at the end of the chapter. Point number 1 is background of the study. This research seeks to delve deeper into the system of down album Hypnotize, drawing upon the hidden meaning and lies in the song lyrics in this album. The researchers examines how the album serves as a medium for expressing and dissecting complex issues of power, war, oppression, and societal unrest. Second one is research question. This research concerns the focus on finding and analyzing the representation of oppression in the system of down album Hypnotized song lyrics. The third is significance of the study. This research offers two significance. Theoretically, this research provides an explorative application of Barth's theory in music. Practically, this research can be used as learning material in applying Barth's semiotic theory. Fourth is scope and limitations. Scope of this research is to describe and find the representation of oppression in the album using Barth's semiotic theory. This research is limited to only focus on analyzing 5 selected songs from the 12 songs in the album Hypnotized by System of a Down. And those 5 songs are Hypnotize, Attack, Dreaming, Stealing Society, and Soldier Side. And the last is definition of key term. The first key term is song lyrics. Song lyrics is a way to expressing person's personal feelings and thoughts connected with singing and written for a lyric poem. Second is music. Music is sounds that are arranged in a way that is pleasant or exciting to listen to. The third point is semiotics. Semiotics is a study of sign, which concerns primarily with relationship between the sign and with the manner in which they produce meaning in text. And then we moved on to chapter 2, review of related literature. This chapter provides theories and studies related to the conduct of this research. It starts with discussing music as literary work and continues to review the theory related to sounds. And the last chapter is chapter 3, research method. This chapter explains the method and the approach taken to conduct the research. It also provides the steps of data collection and data analysis. Point number 1 is the research design. The study uses a descriptive qualitative approach. According to Bogdan and Taylor, qualitative research is a research procedure that produces descriptive data in the form of speech or speech and the behavior of the people being observed. Point number 2 is data and source of data. The data used for this research is taken from the lyrics from the selected songs. The data is in the form of words, phrases, and lines. The data is described verbally. The source of data is taken from the album Hypnotize, an album from metal band System of Down. The songs from the album are listened and watched from various platforms such as YouTube and Spotify. Point number 3 is research instrument. The researcher himself is taking the role as an instrument in this research. According to Creswell, qualitative researchers collect the data themselves through examining documents, observing behavior, or interviewing participants. They may use a protocol as well, an instrument for collect data. but researcher himself is the one who actually gather the data. Point number 4 is data collection techniques. In the study, the researcher did several steps in order to attain all the data that was necessary for this research. First, the researcher begins with listening to the selected songs and reading the lyrics several times. The next thing is to highlight and take notes on the relevant words, phrases, and sentences that indicate impression. And the researcher then writes down the data based on this semiotic analysis theory. Last is point number 5, data analysis. Data analysis is a process of taking data using qualitative method. According to Creswell, the primary goal of data analysis is to examining the data collected by segmenting and taking apart data and then reconstructing the data as a whole. I think that's all. Thank you and see you next time.